paint your butterfly. Paint your butterfly. Oh, wow, Haley. That is so pretty. Do you need more?
Yes. Everything she said.
No, she said more.
Oh.
There you go.
Now, Sammy, you're going to hold it up here.
No. On the butterfly.
But you'll just wash it, okay? So pick where you're going to hold it.
Oh, Haley, that's beautiful.
Left hand. I mean, then hold it with this hand. But look, you see how it's...
Very good, Haley.
You got to try it.
My future artist. That is so good, Haley. Do you need more blue? No, what color do you want?
Hey, let's see.
Let's try some more blue. There you go, more blue.
Hey, let's see. Look at Lala. Look at Lala.
Oh, wow, Haley. That's super.
Haley, look at Lala.
Haley, smile.
Haley, say cheese. Paint on your butterfly. And look at Lala. Say cheese. Look at Lala. Say cheese. Look at Lala.